Used needles left in public and private places are both a nuisance and a potential safety concern. Whether they're used to inject medicines like insulin or for illegal drugs, needles can spread blood-borne pathogens through accidental needle pokes. While the risk of contracting a disease from a needle stick injury is very low, there are ways to further reduce that risk. We'd like to share some simple guidelines that you can follow so needles are removed safely and promptly.
If you find a syringe on your property or in the community, there are several options for safely removing and disposing of it. If you're not comfortable handling the syringe yourself, or if it's in an unsafe or difficult to reach location, call the dispatch center's non-emergency number at 425-407-3999 and an officer will respond as time allows. If the syringe is on someone else's property, you may notify the property owner and let them know the location of the syringe. If you want to dispose of the syringe yourself, you can do so safely using household items or with a free cleanup kit. Cleanup kits are available through a partnership between the Snohomish Health District and the City of Everett Safe Streets program, and have everything you need to safely pick up and dispose of syringes. Request yours by contacting the Snohomish Health District or the City of Everett.
Whether you are using household items or one of our cleanup kits, disposing of found syringes can be safe and easy. You will need puncture-proof gloves, such as thick leather work gloves or PVC-coated gloves, a pair of tongs or grabber tool to pick up the syringe, protective eyewear, a sharps container, hand sanitizer, or soap and water. In addition to these items, it is important to wear closed-toe shoes. Whether you're doing the cleanup alone or as part of a community cleanup, we recommend that only one person is responsible for the physical collection of needles. Others in a group can help scout out needles and point them out for you to collect. Once you are ready to go and you have your gloves and eyewear on, take your kit to the needle. Open the lid to your sharps container and place it on the ground next to the syringe. Do not touch the syringe with your hands. Use pliers, a grabber, or tongs to pick up the syringe by the barrel or plunger, pointing the needle away from you and others. Do not recap, break, bend, or remove the needle from the syringe. Immediately place the syringe needles first into a sharps disposal container. When finished, seal the container tightly and move on to the next needle. Never overfill your container. Once you are done collecting needles, or if the container gets full, seal the container. Remove your gloves and immediately wash your hands with soap and warm water, or use hand sanitizer if water is not readily accessible. We recommend thoroughly cleaning any tools used to pick up needles with a bleach solution of 1 part bleach and 10 parts water. As a reminder, Snohomish County Solid Waste Code prohibits disposal of any sharps in the trash. For your convenience, sharp containers can be delivered to the Snohomish Health District during normal business hours for proper disposal. Please visit www.snohomishoverdoseprevention.com for more details.
Following the steps can greatly reduce your risk of accidental exposure to blood-borne viruses, but there are some other safety precautions to keep in mind if you're cleaning up in the community. Contact the property owner before cleaning up debris on private property. If you come across a homeless encampment, do not enter the area. Report encampments at 425-257-8756 or online at everettwa.gov/encampment. Or by calling the dispatch center's non-emergency number 425-407-3999 in the event of an emergency, or if you believe a crime has been committed, call 911. If children are involved in community cleanup efforts and a syringe is found, an adult should handle the collection and disposal.
On behalf of the City of Everett and the Snohomish Health District, thank you for helping keep your community and you safe and healthy.
Whether you call to report the locations of the syringes or choose to safely collect them and dispose of them yourself, we thank you for your help in keeping our community clean and safe.